Hello there, it's Alison Carrero. Before my call, in this video, I'm going to talk about how you can select children's descendants in plain JavaScript as opposed of jQuery. So right here, I have list items and list items again in I can do find, which is a method again in the object. I can just say item 4. And this is how you check if it's a child, if the element is a child of another element. And in JavaScript, plain JavaScript,